In today's video, I will be showing you how to add your YouTube channel to your Facebook page, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Nazarichi with Expressive Lifestyle and welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a quick tutorial on how to add your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. So if you are new here, consider subscribing as I will be doing how-to videos on a weekly basis. I decided to make this video because it started to get annoying every time I uploaded a video to YouTube. I had to share it to my Facebook profile or to my Facebook page, and then those posts don't get seen by a lot of people because you're actually directing people from Facebook to a different platform, which is YouTube. So Facebook doesn't promote those. Also, you wouldn't see like a video preview. The only thing you'd be seeing is like just a little link to click to watch the video on YouTube. So I did some checks and I realized that you can actually add your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. That way, when people look at your page, they don't actually have to leave. They can just click on a tab and go directly to the videos that you upload on YouTube. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys in this tutorial right now. So the first thing you want to do is you want to ensure that you're logged into your Facebook account, and then you're going to go to your Facebook page. Once you're at your Facebook page, you're going to type in the search box YouTube, or you could type in YouTube tab. Once you do that, you're going to see about 3 options pop up. You're going to want to click on the very first option. The very first option will say YouTube tab, business and pages, and then you'll see a button that says use now. You're going to click on that button, and then it's going to new page that says add this app to your page. Once you make that selection, you're going to have to choose which Facebook page you want to add the tab to. So once you make the selection, you then click on the button that says add page tab, sorry. It's then going to redirect you. It's going to say installation is in progress, and then it's going to redirect you to your Facebook page. Once you get back to your Facebook page, you're now going to actually need to enter your YouTube channel ID. So there are multiple ways you can find your YouTube channel ID. What I did was to actually just go to YouTube and just copy the URL for my channel and then just paste it in the section that says YouTube channel ID or playlist ID. To do that, you can pretty much just leave the remaining settings as default, and then you're going to go ahead and click on save settings. So that is pretty much all you have to do. After you save the settings, you will see that your videos that you've already uploaded are now showing up on your Facebook page. So these are all the videos that I currently have on my YouTube channel, and people will be able to watch them directly from my Facebook page by clicking on the YouTube tab. Not only that, but they can like the videos as well as they can subscribe to your channel from this very tab. So this is pretty useful. So if persons don't actually have your channel on YouTube, or they might find it has an hassle to go to the YouTube app, they can actually just access your channel directly from your Facebook page. So that's it, guys. That is my quick tutorial on how to add your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and share it to someone you think it will be helpful to. Also, I look forward to seeing your comments as to how this video helped you. Did you know that you could actually add your YouTube channel to your Facebook page? If you did, leave a comment below to tell me if this tutorial was helpful for you and if this is something that you'd consider doing in the future. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos where I will be doing tutorials on how to get different things done online, whether it's YouTube, social media, and so forth. I will also leave a link in the description for my free PDF download for the top 50 best ideas and topics for YouTube videos. And all of these topics and ideas do have over 10,000 views. So if that is something that you're interested in, you can click the link in the description below to get your free PDF download. Until next time, this is your girl Nessa Richie, and have yourself a great day.